Tired of seeing that spinning wheel of doom when you know you should be online? Let's fix the pesky pause device issue on your Starlink network in under 90 seconds. First, grab your phone and open the Starlink app. It's your command center for all things Starlink. And where we'll get this sorted. Now, look for the settings icon, usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the screen. Tap it. This opens up a world of customization. Scroll down until you see devices. This is where you'll find a list of everything connected or previously connected to your Starlink network. Spot the device that's currently paused. It'll likely have a pause status next to it, maybe even in a contrasting color like red, to really grab your attention. Tap on the name of the pause device. This will bring up its individual settings. Within these settings, you should see a toggle or slider labeled something like Unpause Device or simply paused. Slide that toggle. Moving it from off to on reactivates the internet connection for that specific device. Give it a few seconds to register. Head back to the main screen of the app or refresh the page. The device should now be listed as active or online. Test the connection on the device itself to confirm. A quick visit to your favorite website should do the trick.